doing a project for work.
What do you do?
I'm an aerospace engineer. Do you know what aerospace engineering is?
No. What is that?
Well, aerospace engineering is the designing and building of things that fly. It is then further broken down into two subcategories, aeronautics and astronautics.
What are those?
Aeronautics is anything that flies inside the atmosphere.
So, like airplanes and kites?
Exactly. People have tried to fly like birds since ancient times. The Greeks have stories of a father and son who built wings and flew too close to the sun.
Oh, that couldn't have been good.
Sadly, it was not. But it shows people have been thinking about flight for a very long time. Leonardo da Vinci created blueprints for many flying machines in the 1500s. But it wasn't until the Wright brothers that man truly flew.
Man?
Yes, unfortunately, women back then weren't allowed to do science and things considered only for men. It didn't stop them from thinking and experimenting, though. In the 1930s, Amelia Earhart was on record as the first female pilot to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean, and in 1963, Valentina Tereshkova, a Russian astronaut, was the first female to go to outer space. But women had been working on making sure humans achieved flight just as much as men. Women were used in the 1960s as computers, mathematicians that helped men fly safely and land on the moon.
Wow, that's so cool. So rockets and planes are the same thing?
Not quite. Astronautics is anything that flies outside the atmosphere, which is the category rockets fall under. Aeronautics is inside the atmosphere. Both study things that fly, just in different ways.
Which one do you study, Mom?
I study astronautics. I like to build and design rockets and satellites.
Wow, I want to do that too.
That would be cool. Women only account for 13.9% of aerospace engineers, so we sure do need more.